Hello everyone, my name is Nasiba Muhamedova. I'm an English teacher at School 4sınып in Karnak. Today we are going to speak about machines, especially slow machines. There are lots of types of machines which we use every day in our life. For example, vacuum cleaner, washing machine, computer, iron, radio, electric teapot, cooker, TV. We can't imagine our life without them. Machines are tools that use energy to do work. Look at the pictures. Which of the machines would you use to take a photo, to go to school, to do your homework, to make a drink? Very easy, right? You would use a photo booth to take a photo. You would use a coffee machine to make a drink. You would use a bicycle to go to school. You would use a computer to do your homework. Students, let's make a list of 5 machines you use every day. Smartphone, scissors, bicycle, microwave, dishwasher. Which of them are fast machines? And which of them are slow machines? Yes, you are clever students. Smartphone, microwave and dishwasher are fast machines. Scissors and bicycle are slow machines. Guess why we call them slow machines? My dear students, before doing some exercises, you should learn new words. Photo booth, coffee machine, bicycle, computer, cassette player, typewriter, washing machine, button, press, handles. Do you remember when and why we use the past simple tense? We use the past simple tense when we talk about completed action in the past. To make past simple, we add d or ed at the end of the regular verbs. But in some cases, we can't add d or d at the end of the verbs because they are irregular. You must learn irregular verbs. Let's try that. What is the past of cook? Fill in a gap. Last weekend, I dinner for my family. Very good. Cooked. We add ed because cook is regular. Let's try another one. She ate pizza last night. Eat is irregular, so we use a second form, ate. Dear students, let's watch a cartoon which explains how to use irregular verbs correctly.
The day started like any other, but that was all about to change when King Grammar's faithful steward came bearing good news.
King Grammar, I come bearing good news.
What is it, my faithful steward?
Chatty, our loyal messenger bird of countless years, has come down with the bird flu.
This is good news?
No, not for Chatty. The good news is we searched Grammar Kingdom far and wide to bring you an extraordinary choice of messenger birds to take over his duties. Any one of these birds would be a fine pick, Your Majesty.
Splendid! Hello, my fine feathered friends. Do tell me a bit about yourselves.
Hello, King Grammar. I will make the best messenger.
And why is that?
I go to many places in your kingdom already.
Goad. Next.
Hello. I seed many wonderful places in the kingdom.
Seed. Next.
I told your steward I would make the best messenger.
Telled. Next.
What? I doed the same thing.
Next.
I run really fast before I finally learn how to fly.
Next.
I sitted on the peak of the highest mountain in your kingdom.
Oh my, who trained these birds how to speak?
It is I, your majesty. I teached these birds everything I know.
I see. Well, you do realize these birds have not been trained in the proper use of past action verbs?
Oh, forgive me, King Grammar. I doed everything in my power to teach them well.
Oh dear. Perhaps we should have a quick review of action verbs. Remember that we use action verbs to say what something or someone does. The minstrel plays the mandolin. The steward sits and listens. There are also many times we want to talk about what someone did in the past. That could be just a few minutes ago, yesterday, or many years ago. It's all in the past.
Yes, I see.
The minstrel plays the mandolin is happening now. When we talk about the past, we change the verb a little bit. The minstrel played the mandolin happened in the past. With the action verb play and many other action verbs, we change the verb so that it refers to the past by adding the letters ed or d. The court jester juggles is happening now. The court jester juggled happened in the past. We add d to juggle to make the verb refer to it happening in the past.
Got it. D or ed.
Yes, but with some verbs we do not add d or ed to talk about the past.
We don't?
No. Instead, the verb changes in some other way. The steward sits on the stool is happening now. The steward sat on the stool happened in the past. See how sit became sat, not sitted.
I see now. Sit and sat. And the past of the action verb go?
Went.
Say.
Said.
Do.
Did.
Run.
Ran.
Yes. Now we understand, Your Majesty. So, which of these birds do you choose to be your new messenger?
I declare that all of you shall be official messengers of Grammar Kingdom. Now go and spread the good news.
And with that, all the parrots in the castle flied happily.
Flew.
Oh, yes, of course. Flew happily ever after.
Pupils, let's do exercise 3 on page 115. You must complete the sentence by using the past simple of the verbs in the brackets. All the verbs in the brackets are regular except puts, so you should add d-ed at the end of the verbs. Let's check your answers and match pictures with the correct sentence. First, people put some paper in me. They pressed the button on me to write. They pushed the lever to write on the next line. What's this? Yes, you're right. It's a typewriter. Second sentence. People put some hot water in me. Then they put the clothes in. They used the handles to move the clothes around quickly. Can you guess? It's a washing machine. Third, people put a cassette in me. They pressed the play button. They listened to music on me. Of course, it's a cassette player. All these machines are slow machines. They were used by our parents and grandparents. Look at the pictures. Here you can see some kinds of slow machines. Listen carefully and number them. First, people used this to make clothes. Second, this machine was at the cinema. It was a machine for showing films. Third, people used this to listen to music. And fourth, people used this to travel from place to place. Your homework is exercise 1 and 2 on page 80 from activity book. I hope you can do them easily without any support. Goodbye!